Good things come in packages, especially when they save money, like combining your cable or internet services or getting a combo meal at a fast food restaurant. Fortunately, insurance companies offer something similar. It's called bundling. It's when you combine policies like your home, condo, or renter's insurance with your auto insurance under one provider. Insurance companies want more of your business, so they offer you a lower rate when they insure both your car and your home. A recent Insurance Quote study showed that bundling saves an average of $295 per year. That's a nice 10% savings. But it varies depending on where you live. States that offer the biggest discounts for bundling home and auto insurance include Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas. Taking a few minutes to shop your coverages as a bundle can save you a bundle. To get free quotes from the nation's top insurance carriers, shop smarter at Insurance Quotes.